Hi everyone, this is Elle. I want to give you some background on the women's national team's fight for pay equality. We are going to be talking to you all about the 2019 lawsuit between the U.S. Soccer Federation and the U.S. women's national team. This team has had much success. They have won 4 World Cups compared to the men's team, who have won 0. So the U.S. women's national soccer team's fight for equality became more known to the public when 5 superstars, Carli Lloyd, Hope Solo, Alex Morgan, Megan Rapinoe, and Becky Sauerbrunn, put in a complaint to the EEOC against the U.S. Soccer Federation for unequal treatment. This complaint led to a bargaining agreement between U.S. Soccer and the U.S. women's national team, where every player on the women's national team is promised $100,000 a year. The women's bonuses in their bargaining agreement are a lot smaller than the men's. According to Emily Kaplan, a writer for ESPN, explains that the pay structure in different bargaining agreements are reasons the women's national team and the men's national team get paid different amounts. U.S. Soccer has been following the agreements that have been made. However, the inequality between the men's and women's team is disturbing. Quote, from 2013 to 2016, women's players earned $15,000 for making the national team, and the men earned $55,000 in 2014 and $68,750 in 2018, end quote. We will have another background video soon. Thank you.